So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create this animation using Figma. But before that I want you guys to please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified with all the updates. So without wasting time, let's see how to create this Porsche website animation. So you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all we will drop a frame by pressing A on our keyboard. And from here we will select MacBook Air. Now let me drop my assets, the car images, and that I just took it from the Porsche website. So here we can just change this color to some darkish. Let's bring it to somewhat this color. Yeah, 0E, 0E, 0E. So that's perfect for me. In the top we need a menu and the logos and all. So let's press D on our keyboard. Let's zoom it a bit. Let's name it menu and change the font size to somewhat 16. This seems perfect for me. Selecting this, let's go to layout grid. Let's go to column and give a margin of 100. Perfect. Let's align it over here. Now we need two icons. One is the search and one is for the customer support. So what we can do, we can click over here, go to plugins and widgets and select Iconify. From here we can select search, bring this one, duplicate it. Now select somewhat like, you can select support, you can search for support, you can select this one and just replace the icon. Perfect. Now selecting both, put it inside the auto frame layout and give it a gap of like 20 and make it hug content. It's great for me. You can bring it over here. Perfect. Now we need a logo of the Porsche. So how we can bring, just click over here, go to plugins and widgets and select search for brand fetch. From here you can search the Porsche and just click over it. From here, suppose I need this one, I will just click over it. So you can see I got this one. Select it and you can see all those frames are outside. Those are outside, it's okay, but those needs to be inside the MacBook Air main frame. So you can select this by holding shift and drag and drop it inside. Perfect. Now select this one and by pressing K, decrease its size. Like I wanted to keep it as 40 and it seems perfect for me now. Let's bring over here. Perfect. Now selecting all, put it inside your auto frame layout. Now select this one and you can see it's 80. So also you select this one, select here and make it 80. After that you can see it will align properly in the center. Select this. Now click on B and bring it to over here. Select this one, auto, and that's perfect. The top I want to keep 40. Let's suppose 48 will be perfect. Yeah. So this part is done. Now comes, we need a text over here, right? So for that, first of all, let's drop the Porsche logo over here, the text logo. And with that, I want to have the model number, whichever the model number I am using. So for that, first of all, let's click over here again, go to brand fetch, go over here again and bring this one. Perfect. Bring over here. By pressing K, you can increase its size somewhat this much. Perfect. Now press T on our keyboard, and like the first model I will be having 718. By pressing K on your keyboard, increase its size to, select both, put it inside auto frame layout, and you can see it's outside. Just bring it inside the main frame. Just keep in mind, like if it's outside, like I tried to create the auto frame, now it was not happening, so that was the reason. So just select both and put it inside auto frame layout. Now you can see it worked. Perfect. Now here we need a tag like by dreams. Bring it over here. By pressing K, decrease its size a bit. You will get something like this. Now bring your all, duplicate it 3 times because we have 3 cars, so there will be 3 models. The second is 911 and the last one is TAYCAN, Taycan. You can just keep it here, and if it doesn't seems good, you can just bring it over here the way you want. So but select this both, put it inside auto frame layout, select both, put it inside auto frame layout, select both, put it inside auto frame layout. Now selecting all, put it inside auto frame layout. Perfect. And by right clicking on it, select frame selection and then just bring it over here and clip content. Perfect. And just bring it to this much. Now here we need the pagination and the button to just go to the next car. So for pagination, let's press T on our keyboard and let's write 01. Now press K, decrease the size, bring it up here. And as we have 3, just duplicate 3 times. 2, 3. Now select all, put it inside auto frame layout, and in the same way select frame selection, bring it up here and select clip content. Perfect. Now bring it up here. Let's press L on our keyboard, and by holding shift let's create a line something like this. Give it a stroke width of 4. Change it to round for both the side. Perfect. Now duplicate this one above here only. Just decrease the size to somewhat like this. Select the below one. Click over here. Make it somewhat like this. So it will give you a good effect. Now here we need the button. So for that, what we can do, go over here and from here select polygon. By holding shift select, create a polygon, and let's give it 80 suppose for now. You can change it, and here we can give it a 6. Let's bring it up here. It will align perfectly. Now give it a stroke, give it 4, change it to white, not 4, let's give it 2, remove this one. Perfect. Now inside we need a arrow icon, so for that what we can do, just click over here, go to Iconify again and search for arrow. Select this one, import as frame, bring and drop it over here. Just check it's outside, so you can say it's outside to bring it inside the main frame. And if you feel it's a little bit smaller, by pressing K you can just increase its size. Yeah, perfect. Now selecting both, align it to the middle and by selecting both, put it inside a group. Perfect. Now here also I want to give one line like, so just select this one by holding option, bring it over here, zoom it, align it like that, select B, square again, and by clicking on it, bring it to the end. Done. So you got something like this. Now I can just turn off the layout grid. So it's simple. We are keeping it as simple as we can. So now you can see this is our first image, this is our second image, and this is our third image, right? So this is the first image, second image, and the third image. Select all. We'll bring the first image to the top. The second image, and then the third. You can just check it once now. Like our 718 is our this car, this top. Then comes the second one car, and then comes the last car, that is the Taycan. So what we can do now, select all those, center it, perfect, and group them. Bring it up here by pressing K and holding shift plus option, increase the size the way you want. Like I want this much, it's perfect for me. Yeah, it's looking good. Now what we will do, let's select the whole group, and you can see it's 9335, so let's turn it to 1000. Yeah, now it's perfect for me. Now select the rest other two cars, turn those to 200, and by pressing 0 two times, turn its opacity to 0. Simple. Now we will duplicate it. Select this, holding space, clicking on it, holding space and shift, we'll just drag it upward like that and bring this one. Selecting those same, selecting it, holding space and shift, we'll bring this one. Now you can see we have this one, the first one. Turn that to 200 now, and turn its opacity to 0. Select the second one, bring it to 1000, and turn its opacity to 100%. Perfect. Now duplicate this again. In the same way, select it, then hold space and then shift, bring this one, same for this one. Perfect. Now select this one, select the second image, make it 200 and turn its opacity to 0. Now select the last one, bring it to 1000, go to V and bring its opacity. Done. So this part is done. Now our main part is the animation. Just go to prototype over here, select this one, connect to this one. This will be the setting. On click, Smart Animate Custom Spring 200 millisecond duration, and stiffness is 45, damping is 10, and mass is 1. Same for this one. Perfect. So now if I just prototype it, you will get something like this. And now if you click on it, see how cool it's gonna look like. So I hope you like this tutorial. So please do support me and please do subscribe if you love this video, and drop your comments or any doubts you have in the comment section below. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.